Good morning everyone, Jordan here with JC Landscapes. As you can see, it's time for a snow vlog. We got probably 4 inches down already. We got more coming. So we're gonna get out there and start plowing. Hope you guys enjoy this video. All right, so it's almost 12 o'clock now. Here with Luke. Yeah. So, kind of a weird storm, one we haven't had for a long time. It's a long storm. So we ended up going out this morning and doing just commercial, pretty much. Most of them, not quite all of them. And a few residential, yeah, I did a handful of those. But we were going to do all the residential, but we ended up, we're going to skip them all and just do them as customers want done or calling one done. Because it's 12 o'clock noon now, we started, what, like 5 this morning? And, this storm won't end until probably for another like 12, 16 hours at least. So right now there's not much going on, but there's more coming, and we have probably 5-6 inches. So kind of at a weird like waiting spot till it snows some more. We'll go to the commercials again. Of course, all those we've done multiple times. Keep this clear. We're headed out to do one residential now, and then we're gonna go back and just hang out for a while, and then hit up some more commercials here in a couple hours, and then we're gonna get the whole gang in tonight, probably about midnight, and get out and do hopefully the final push for everything. So yeah, we're gonna get out there, and we got Vinny with us. We're gonna get this one done and head on back. So we'll see you then.
Time lapse.
Alright, so that's done. That's more like, how much snow do you think that is?
I don't know, you're pushing 7 inches anymore.
Yeah, that was more than 4 or 5. That keeps piling up. And you saw Vinny was struggling a little bit.
Pretty pasty too.
Yeah, it's pretty slick underneath. The Ventrac is really good for up to probably 6 inches, I'd say.
Until then, you're just better off running the blower.
Yeah, you need a blower for the front, which we're actually looking into hopefully for tomorrow. But it still does really good. I mean, you saw, you just kind of have to work it from side to side to clear it. It still works, just takes a little bit longer. So yeah, a blower does work really good. So hopefully we'll be able to get our hands on that for some more of this later. So that'll be it for now. I'm not sure if I'll take you with what is going on later today, but for sure I think we're gonna start like midnight tonight and get out there for the final push. So see you then. All right, good morning everybody. It's just after midnight, so technically Tuesday morning. Yeah, Luke and I did a little bit last night. We came back and everybody, they went home, or I stayed here. We got some sleep, headed back out for the final push, hopefully. Looks like it's pretty well done, so this should be it. So we're gonna get out and get after it. Looks like the total accumulation is probably 12-13 inches. So I'm not sure how much footage I will get right now, but hopefully some later in the day. The Ventrac went down, so we had to go to our dealer and get another one to use for the storm. We also got a blower, so we're gonna try that on a lot of these driveways and see how that goes. So yeah, I guess we will see you out there. All right, so I got Mr. Ryan, Chad HR with me.
Hello.
And it's 11 o'clock. We got started about 1 this morning, so we've been going at it for a little while. Still got a ways to go, but we're getting there. I'm out of coffee.
I'm not. Yet.
So he's shoveling. No, I'm kidding. Not because of the coffee. Yeah, it's going pretty good. Everything's taking a little bit longer. I would say we have a solid foot at least, and more in some places. There's been some wind, so there's some drifting. Yeah, I haven't recorded anything yet today. We've just been trying to get as much done as we can. We're getting there. So I'll see if I can get some footage here. Some of the next ones are here soon, and show you guys what's up. I don't remember if I told you this morning or not, but our Ventrac Vinny went down yesterday, so we got another one from our dealer, and we have the blower on it. So thankfully we do, because the blade would have been a tough task in this stuff. But so yeah, try and get you some shots of that, and we'll see how this day ends. Ayo. So we will see you guys out there. Alright guys, I just want to jump in here real quick. This is one of the last jobs of the day. Earlier on in the afternoon, the blower had actually broke when the shear bolts had busted off, so I switched to the blade. We ended up getting the blower fixed, but the blade was actually doing pretty well, so I stuck with it for the rest of the day. This was a job we had started in the morning, but it was too slippery to actually finish, so I was coming back to clean it up, get that finished up. So you'll see here next, some of the next few clips are from the next day. Actually, we picked up just a few driveways to do the next day. Right here's one of the first clips of Luke. And the GoPro had died the day before and I hadn't got it charged up, so I just took these with my phone. So we had 3 more driveways to do here, and then we'll be finished up with this storm. Alright everyone, back in the office here. Like I said, the GoPro had died, so I didn't get any outro or anything like that. So finishing up editing this right now and hoping to get this out to you guys pretty soon. So yeah, that was it for this storm. It turned into a pretty long affair, at least for us. So I unfortunately didn't get a ton of plowing footage. I wish we got more, but hopefully in the next one. So I got what I got, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. We appreciate it, and we hope to see you guys in the next one. God bless.